Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide photos on iPad Air 13 2024. I'm in my Photos app and here are all of my photos. If I want to hide one of them, I just need to click on it, then tap on these three dots in top right corner and tap on Hide. To view the hidden photo, click here to reveal the sidebar, and if you can find hidden photos in Utilities, then just click on it, then enter your Touch ID or passcode, and here you can view all of your hidden photos. You can also hide the hidden folder if you want, or if you can't find it, you can unhide it so you can find the hidden folder. To do it, go to Settings, and in Settings, go to Photos. They are here. And now I can disable or enable Show Hidden Album. And now when it's disabled, I cannot find Hidden Album in Utilities, or I can go back to Settings and Show Hidden Album, so when I go to Photos, I can find the hidden album. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.